The central purpose of our annual Juried Student Exhibition is to bring our students' work to the attention of the community. Every year we invite an outside juror to select works in this highly anticipated event. This year we asked artist and curator Hannah Israel to select 25 pieces to celebrate the exhibition's 25th anniversary from a pool of 105 entries. The result is an exhibition that is a capsule of current themes in art, from climate change to cultural identity.